the sky. Feathers brown and yellow, you flit and you fly through bushes and cacti. You search for a treat, a juicy green beetle, a tasty bud to eat. Tweet, tweet goes the warbler, a song clear and bright, singing in sunshine and warm desert light. Up in the tall saguaro, you perch on a thorn, a tiny musician, a desert-born song. The wind whispers secrets through the dunes of sand. You build a tiny nest, safe and out of hand. Mama warbler lays eggs so tiny and round. Papa warbler keeps watch with a happy little sound. Tweet goes the warbler, a song clear and bright, singing of sunshine and warm desert light. Up in the tall saguaro, you perch on a thorn, a tiny musician, a desert-born song. The wind whispers secrets through the dunes of sand. You build a tiny nest, safe and out of hand. Mama warbler lays eggs so tiny and round. Papa warbler keeps watch with a happy little sound. Sunshine and warm desert light. Up in the tall saguaro, you perch on a thorn, a little desert warbler, a speck in the sky. Feathers brown and yellow, you flit and you fly through bushes and cacti. You search for a treat, a juicy green beetle, a tasty bug to eat. Tweet, tweet goes the warbler, a song clear and bright, singing of sunshine and warm desert light. Up in the tall saguaro, you perch on a thorn, a tiny musician, a desert-born song. The wind whispers secrets through the dunes of sand. You build a tiny nest, safe and out of hand. Mama warbler lays eggs so tiny and round. Papa warbler keeps watch with a happy little sound. Tweet, tweet goes the warbler, a song clear and bright, singing of sunshine and warm desert light. Up in the tall saguaro, you perch on a thorn, a tiny musician, a desert-born song. The wind whispers secrets through the dunes of sand. So next time you're in the desert, listen close and see the little desert warbler singing wild and free. A desert tradition that carries right along. Tweet, tweet goes the warbler,